Hello everyone, this side Pankaj once again, and this video is the continuation of our previous video. I hope you remember what we have discussed in our previous video inside a window function. We covered what is window function, and then we covered like three types of window functions. These things we have covered in our previous videos. Okay, so and in last session we faced some problems related how we are going to whenever I'm trying to start my Pyspark cluster on Windows, it throws some error. It threw some error. So now again I'm gonna start. So but don't forget subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Okay, so my CMD prompt command prompt in window, and already I have set up a Spark, as we know that, and you know very well how to set up the PySpark on my on a window. If you don't know, so please watch my Spark installation on the Windows. Okay, and here we quickly revise like what we have covered. Like these are the three mainly these are the three mainly three types of window function: and analytical, ranking, and aggregate. Today we have focus only on ranking function. We already covered these three topics, but ranking function practical we will do in this videos. Okay, so one by one already we covered. So let's get start. So this is a small like um, notepad file I have created where I have telling you the process how we can create a subset of data. So let's get to a practical. Here you can see that I have a tuple of data. So I'm creating a one tuple. Okay, so enter it. So it create my tuple. Okay, simple data. If you want to check the type also, then inside a Python we have a function uh, like type from method. With the help of it, it will show you a tuple. Okay, and this is the next step. If you want to, we don't have the name, or this is a small data set, inbuilt it. We are creating data from data frame on this data set. Okay, so and here you can see that employee name, department, salary. So I'm giving a column name for these things. So first one is my employee name, then department, and this is the salary sections. Okay, so I'm just creating this column. Okay, so I'm doing just copy paste kind of thing, and hope you know I hope you guys are aware about like what is data frame, what is this is data frame, and what is the architecture of data frame, how data frame is work. If not, please watch my previous video, and then you will get a knowledge about this data frame. I also uploaded one video. There are many ways to create a data frame inside a PySpark. Okay, so now I have, then there is a create data frame method inside the Spark session. So as I told you that Spark session always provided whenever we are working on interactive mode. If you are working on scripting mode, so then there is a way you can create your Spark session. This will I'll cover on my previous videos, and already covered in my previous video. Okay, so let's get start. So I'm gonna create a data frame inside a Spark. So here you can see that copy, and then I'm gonna paste. So it will create a data frame for me, df, and spark dot create data frame data equal to simple. I'm passing my tuple and columns names, so it will create a df for me. Okay, and then the basic command you know about data frame, like a print schema. If you want to see the schema, so you use print schema method. If you want to use like show, so with the help of show command you will get the result about data frames and all that. If you don't aware about what is the basic command of the PySpark, so then you can use this my watch my again previous videos where I have explained the basic operation perform on the data frames. Okay, so here you can see that it create a data frame. If you want to see the result inside this data frame, then there is a command df.show. So with the help of df.show, it will print the result on console. Okay, so here you can see our df.show will highlight the uh, your data frame structures, tabular kind of structure, like having columns and we have data inside it. Okay, and now again we are going to cover. So these now we have created the data frame, and now we are going to perform windowing window. So I know already I covered in detail this topic, window function, in my uh, previous video continuation. So window is nothing, it is a group of data set, like a bucket, partitioning, grouping kind of thing. So it will, on the basis of particular key, it will group the data. Okay, and already I covered these row number, rank, and dense rank differences. So I'm gonna use this dense rank. I'll upload the data one by one. How rank will produce the data, how row number produce the data, and how dense rank will produce the data. Okay. So before going to use this one, I'm gonna import these three libraries. So these three libraries I'm gonna copy, and I'm just importing. So one by one, the first library, like through like is Pyspark.sql dot function as a f. So with the help of this, you are through f you can access like all the Pyspark functionality and all that. And then another library like window. This library is very important window, and with the help of this window, we can like do we can create our Windows pack, and so this is another library like window. So I'm gonna import this one. So with the help of this window, we can create a Windows pack. So you with the help of window, you can get a Windows pack, and it will create a grouping kind of data. And then I have import other libraries like row number, rank, and dense rank. Okay, so these three are important thing. Okay, so now let's get start. So first of all, I'm gonna create my Windows pack. So how I'm gonna create my Windows pack? I'm just copy, and I'm gonna paste. Sorry. So copy, or here I'm gonna paste Windows pack. So here I'm telling you like this is my class, like the library which I have imported using partition by. So I'm gonna partition by my database on this department. So here I have here you can see that I have a small data set where three department I have: sales, finance, and marketing. These three department I have, and then order by salary. By default it will like in ascending order. So I'll created a one Windows pack. Okay, so now next step, like now you can see that if I'm applying this Windows pack on my, here you can see that, suppose I'm applying this is my data frame, and applying using a with column, I'm adding a new row. You know very well what is the like what is the functionality, like what is the feature, what kind of feature with column provided. It is a one of the API inside this data frame. With the help of it, we can add the column inside a data frame. Okay, so I'm adding a new column. Like right now we have three columns, so I'm adding a new column. Name is row number, and I'm using this row number function. So you know very well, I'll import these packages. This is a row number. So I'm on this row number, I'm applying my Windows pack. So I'm entering it under like df underscore row and dot show. Now you can see you will get a you will get a you will get a you will get a another column. You will get a another column, and inside this another column, now we have another column. Another column is row number. Okay, so three column we have, one more added, row number. And now you can see that it group my data, sale. Okay, and it provide the ranking for these things. So row number, you know very well already, it will provide a sequencing for your data. So what we cover, row number function is used to give the sequential row number starting from 1 to the result of each window function. Okay, so in each window function, one window function I have like sales, another, this one, another. So in each window function, it will provide a sequential in order, whether your data, whether your salary is similar or not. Okay, and if you want to like apply, if you will apply on same data, here I'm gonna tell you, if you will apply like this is my ranking and I'm gonna perform this ranking on, so then you will get a difference. This is a difference. So here you can, I'm gonna add another row of DenseRank. Okay, sorry, df underscore here. So copy. So here in df row, I have 4 columns. Now I'm adding another column inside the df row, or the name of that column is rank, and I'm using a rank and over provider window spec. Now you can see that how rank like provide a ranking of your data. Sorry, df rank dot show. Okay, so now you can see that rank, how rank will provide a, it will skip if there is a tie. So here you can see that we have a tie, so it will, ranking will provide 1 1 for these. Here you can see that ranking, there is a tie in the salary 3000 3000 in same window spec, so it will provide a 1 1. But for 41 it won't provide a 2, it will skip that 2 and will give a 3, then 3 3, then 4 it will skip. So this is the ranking, how rank will rank your data inside your window spec. Now the best one is DenseRank, which is I always prefer to find out if you, if during the time of interview, if they ask you they ask you a question like find out the of highest salary in each department, or like find out second highest salary or a ninth highest salary, whatever. So this is DenseRank which I prefer most. Okay, so in this df rank, I'm gonna add another column like with column and DenseRank, and the name of that column is DenseRank. So now here you can see that I have added another column df underscore dense dot show. Okay, and here you can see I'll get another column. So I hope you know very well if someone asks you a question, if you want to add any column inside your data frame, so how you can do it. So there is with column, with the help of with column you can just add the column inside it. Okay, so I'm adding another column DenseRank. Now DenseRank beauty, you can see that we have a tie 1 1, and then here you can see that 41 41 it will provide 2 2 and 3. So we got the sequence, we got the sequence as well as we got the ranking as well. So in so actually DenseRank is a combination of the row number and rank feature, combination of these, and it depend on the use cases. When you go for a row number, when you go for a rank, when you go for a DenseRank, if you know the use cases, please do a comment on this video section, and if you will give a right like use cases where we can use this row number, where we can use this rank, definitely I'll gonna provide you of some more advanced feature of Spark videos and all that. I have a product and I'll help you on that. Okay, so don't forget to comment and explain these things. Now the last but not least, how we can get highest salary. So in each department, especially this is what we make the video. So now I have in dev dense, I'm providing a where or a filter, another like API or a operation operator, you can see that which we can perform on the data frame. So I'm using this where, otherwise you can use filter. So inside a where I'm passing in dense rank, where dense rank equal to 1. Okay, and I'm dropping this thing. I'm not gonna drop. Okay, I'm just copy this output. Okay, so here you can see that this is my data frame. On this data frame, I'm providing a where clause filter, and here dense rank equal to 1. So it will filter out my data. So let's get see result inside it. Df output dot show. So now you can see the data. I'll get these things like James having same salaries, then in another window spec like Maria having highest salary, and then Kumar having like Jeff. Oh, these are the minimum salaries, guys. So guys, you need in each window spec you need to provide the salary sequence in descending order. Okay, so then you can create a window spec in descending order. Here you can see that salary you provided in ascending by default is ascending. So I'm gonna use this window spec. Okay, so copy. Okay, I'm just entering it. So this is my window spec. I'm directly using this one. I'm just undo the things. Undo the things. Okay, I'm directly using this DenseRank. So in my data frame, I'm adding this DenseRank column, and I'm directly creating my data frame. So in you know where my data frame, inside the data frame, I'm adding that column DenseRank and enter it. Okay, and now I can see the data. So it will provide you data in descending order. In each window spec, it will like salary in descending order and provide the ranking like 1 2 3 like that. So highest salary always in top, so in each window spec. Okay, so now the final activity which I'm gonna perform, like what my final activity like this on df dense, I'm providing a where clause and dense rank equal to 1. Now I can see the output result, and here we have like highest salary in each department. I'm gonna type, this is a bad habit to do this thing. So if I'll show it and enter. Okay, so now you can see that in each department we have the, if you don't like this thing, and interviewer ask, oh, please only print the employee name and salary, please the employee name and salary, and department section. So then in this here you can just use drop command. Drop, what do you want to drop? You don't want this dense rank. Otherwise you can use a select. With the help of select, you can if you have thousand of column, if you want to highlight only 2 3 columns, so you can, using a select command, you can pick only those columns. So now enter it, and again if I'm gonna do so, no longer dense rank column is there, so it will only highlight employee name, department and salary. Okay, so this is, I hope you like my session, how we can perform the ranking. So in my another videos, already in videos you can see, already you can see this. So at the end, guys, I hope you like my session, and please, here you can see that what is my next video, so you can just click and you will get. So in next video we are going to cover more windowing function concept, like analytical window function concept, like aggregate window function. So please don't forget don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please do, if you have any question, any comments, so please leave it below section, and don't forget to share. Bye bye.